Welcome to our updated guide on how to restore an old chat on WhatsApp. If you wish to revisit an older conversation on WhatsApp, you can follow these simple steps to restore an old chat from a previous backup. Firstly, if your phone does not already have a file manager app, download one from the App Store to facilitate the process of accessing your phone's internal storage. Next, open the File Manager app and navigate to your phone's WhatsApp database. Typically, this can be found at SD card WhatsApp databases within the File Manager. Identify the specific backup file that contains the chat you want to restore. Rename this backup file from msgstore-yyyy-mm-dd.1.db.crypt14 to msgstore.db.crypt14. If the backup is on an earlier protocol, such as crypt, do not alter the number in the crypt extension. After renaming the backup file, proceed to uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Reinstall the app from the App Store and follow the setup process. During the setup, WhatsApp will detect the renamed backup file and prompt you to restore the chat history from the selected backup. Simply tap on the Restore option to initiate the restoration process. By following these steps, downloading a File Manager app, accessing the WhatsApp database, renaming the backup file, uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp, and tapping on Restore when prompted, you can successfully restore an old chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tech guides.